What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wood Michael Demeters, and today's video is gonna be my first week update of my weight loss journey. So my last week videos was me telling you guys that I'm gonna start a weight loss journey. So this is the first week and I'm gonna update you guys on how the first week was. So I filmed the video on Tuesday and then I worked out on Wednesday, the day after that. But on Tuesday I started fasting too. So I'm doing intermittent fasting. I'm doing 16-8, just in case you guys wanted to know. And this is the calendar that I kept, so you could see. So I started on Tuesday at 199.8, and then on Wednesday I didn't work out, but I fasted, and then I was 200.8. So I was like, what? And then on Thursday I worked out, so I was about 198.4. So keep in mind guys, this video is gonna be fairly short. It's just me updating you guys about this week, my first week of trying to lose weight. So it was 198.4, and then this day I didn't work out, and then but I got to tell you guys though, on Wednesday, the day I tried to work out, I only, for my 30-minute interval training workout, so I do 1 minute jumping rope and then 30 seconds not doing anything, so trying to take my breath. So I couldn't do the whole 30 minutes. I could only do probably like 20 minutes. So on Friday I struggled, but I did the 30 minutes. So on Saturday I didn't work out, and then on Sunday I did the whole thing, and I felt great. And this I was not even that tired after that 30 minutes. And then I didn't work out on Monday, and then this morning I worked out, so I had to wake up early so I could work out and then make this video. So, and then I have to go to work after that too, so it's a lot of work guys. And then today I'm 198.8, so the same as I was last week. So just in case, if you guys wants to lose weight, the first week probably not gonna go as planned, or it might go as planned. So you guys just gotta keep going, and probably like the first few weeks might not go as planned. I might not even lose weight, so I'm gonna try to adjust. So the reason I don't work out every day is because I'm gonna be working out the same muscle. So I'm gonna be jumping rope every day. So if I start jumping rope every day, I'm not so nigga, please. No, he's in the bathroom, nigga. Yeah, I don't know, bro. He was. So that's the only thing I've been doing. Yeah, my cousin just interrupted me. So yeah, let's pick up where I left off. So yeah, I don't want to work out every day because before that I tried this, like do like 15 minutes every day, and I couldn't finish the first week because my muscles were so tight and I didn't really stretch them that much too. So I had to stop for a little while. So this week I do like 30 minutes. I should probably do less because I'm just starting, but I like going hard. So it's not that hard, but I do like going hard. So 30 minutes. It wasn't easy, but I still did it. And on Sunday it felt easy, that 30 minutes. So I thought today was gonna be way easier. And then today I started, right? And I couldn't finish the 30 minutes. 6 minute ends and my breath was like, I couldn't breathe that much. So I was like, why Sunday was easy and then I skipped Monday? I thought I would be able to recover, and then on Tuesday I would just run through that 30 minutes before stopping. So I'm like, what? Why I can only do like 15 minutes? So I don't know, but still, today my weight is 198.8, and then my calves get really tight, and then one thing that saved me that could make it easy on me is this right here. So I just hate myself. So this, I don't know, when I'm doing it, it feels hard. It just get in there. So it's really great to for recovery, and then so I could still work out the same muscle, and then not work out the same muscle but keep jumping ropes so I could lose weight. Well, I look on like Google and they say working out the same muscle every day could overwork it out, so that's why I'm skipping a day, and then I'm also doing this so I could recover and still keep going, because this time I don't want no failure. I don't want to stop. I want to keep going until I lose the amount of weight that I want to lose. So that's what I'm gonna keep doing this week. This week I'm gonna keep spacing out my workouts so I could keep working out. Even if I'm not making big progress, at least I'm keeping going. You know what I'm saying? So that's like a good advice for you too. So you don't wanna go too hard and then you just can't do it. So I'm gonna go slow because I'm just starting. When you're just starting, like you guys could know it too. When you never go to the gym and then at that time you go, it's just the next day you don't even want to wake up because you go so hard on yourself that the next day you can't go again, or the day after that you can't go again. So I'm trying to keep that away from me so I could keep going and do more. So yeah, I'm not gonna try to go to failure. Like how did they say, like if you can do 10 reps, right, and then you do like 8, so you keep like 2 for the next day, you could also work out. So if I do like 10 and then the next day I can't work out, that's like I'll lose 8 reps that I could have gotten if I didn't do the 2 ones. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna keep fasting 16-8 and then try to stay in a caloric deficit. I don't really count my calories because well, when they cook at home, I don't cook it, so I don't know what they put. But when I eat out, I have an estimation of what it could be. So it might be my diet too. So we're gonna see week after week how we go. So this was the first week. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get better. But one thing though, when I started jumping rope last week, last week on Wednesday, I kept tripping over the rope, and then today I only did 15 minutes, but those 15 minutes I didn't even trip once. I think I tripped once over the rope, which hurts, by the way. Whenever that rope hits you, it's not fun. But on Wednesday I tripped over a lot, so I kept stopping and then go again, stop and go again, which is not really good for high intensity interval workout. I think that's how they say it, but short for HIIT workouts. So that's how it was. And then on Friday it got a little better, but still on Sunday but today I only did 15 minutes, but those 15 minutes I did go hard and my calves was tight. I thought they were gonna bust, so that's why I stopped. And then I'm gonna roll them today, so tomorrow I might like do push-ups or squat or something. I'm gonna start including those on my workout, but I just want to start slowly and then build up to it and then add more until keep adding more. Never stop. So yeah, today I'm gonna upload a video, which probably gonna be, I still don't know the title to it, which is funny. I already edited the video from last week, so I'm gonna upload the video and then edit the video for next week and then document this week also. So yeah, this week is 199.8, and I'm gonna put the screenshot so you could see what the other percentage, like body percentage, water, muscle mass, and skeletal mass and all that, so you could see. I'm using a scale. I don't know if it's accurate or not, but if it's doesn't really need to be accurate, it just needs to be consistent. So if I'm like 199 and it says I'm 199, even like I'm like 200, but when I get to 199, it says like I'm 198. It's consistent, it's not accurate, so I just need to be consistent. And also I'm also using this a Fitbit to track my calories and also track my sleep, because I've not been getting much sleep lately. That could also be one of my struggling points, because 6 hours a day is not much, so I gotta go to sleep earlier than that. And I was jumping with my AirPods, and then it just fell out my ears, and then the rope hit it, and the AirPods hit the wall, and then shit broke. So I bought these, and just those ones go inside my ears, so they were cheap on Amazon. Oh, it might be connecting to the phone too. So I bought these ones. One second. So yeah, it did connect to my phone while I was talking, so I had to stop it, and then so I could record my video, and then just not the video and with no audio. So I bought these. These go all the way in my ear. This one is right. Yeah. These go all the way inside. They were cheap on Amazon. I had like a 50% on them. They were supposed to be like 40. I bought them for 20. They have touch control. They almost as good as the Apple ones. It just, the audio is kind of not good. I don't know for the microphone, because I haven't talked, I only work out in this, but the audio is kind of but the touch controls work. So this works, and I should have bought this before I started working out and not lose my AirPods. So I use this, my foam roller, and then my which is this. Just simple. I don't know where I bought it. I bought it a long time ago. So that's basically it. That's all I'm just starting to use right now. And then my scale to monitor my weight loss journey. And I'm gonna start to buy the weighted jump ropes, the ones that are more heavy. But I want to start bidding with this yet, because when I jump rope and my back is still sore too, my shoulder kind of gets hurt, so I have to work on my form. So I don't want to buy the weighted jump rope and then have a bad form with them and then keep hurting my shoulder. So I'm gonna keep going with this, lose some weight, and then when I get stronger, I'm gonna transfer to the weighted ropes. And by that time, I would probably be doing other workouts and maybe going to the gym. So yeah, this was the first update. I'm still 199.8, and then next week we're gonna see what happened. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like the like button, and when you subscribe, make sure to tap on the notification bell, so when I upload the next video next week, you can see it. Trying to lose weight and talking how it's been going. Yeah, you should subscribe and turn the notification bell on and like this video, and make sure to comment what you want to see and any questions you want to ask. And yeah, but this week been great. I've been feeling great, waking up early and working out. I don't know, it feels like I'm completing something in my life. It's a great feeling, so I want to keep that feeling and then keep working out and yeah, lose weight. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Bye.